Good day everyone. In today's video, we are going to attempt to find the area of the largest semicircle. We have been given the area of two semicircles. That of B is 25 divided by 8 pi, and area of semicircle C is 18 pi. So we want to find the area of semicircle A. You can pause the video and see if you can attempt this question under 1 minute. First and foremost, let's recall what the area of a semicircle is. The area of a semicircle is half of the area of a circle. The area of a circle is pi r squared. So the area of a semicircle is half pi r squared. Okay, do we know the radius of semicircle A? No. We don't even know the diameter. Talk less of the radius. Here is the diameter of semicircle A. If we know the length of this diameter, we are going to divide it by 2. Then we are going to get the value for the radius of semicircle A. So how do we go about finding the diameter of semicircle A? If you look critically at the diagram at the center, then you will notice an obvious triangle that I'm going to trace out right now. Here is a triangle at the center, so I decided to use different colors for easy referencing. So we actually want to look for the length of the red line, which is the diameter of semicircle A. Now we have a right angle triangle, so the length of the red line is actually the hypotenuse of the triangle. So that means if I know the length of the green line and the length of the blue line, which is the diameter for semicircle B, then using Pythagoras theorem, I should be able to calculate for the length of the red line. Alright, so let's proceed to find the length of the green line, which is the diameter of semicircle C. Now, we're given the area of semicircle C to be 18 pi. So let's recall the area of a semicircle once again, and that is half pi r squared. Alright, so we're given the area of semicircle C to be 18 pi. So let's look for the radius, pi r squared. Alright, pi, we cancel pi. I'm going to have 18 is equals to 1 times r squared, that is r squared divided by 2. So here is divided by 1, you cross multiply. 1 times r squared, that is r squared, and 18 times 2, and that is going to give us 36. To eliminate the squared on r, we find the square root of both sides of the equation. So the square root of 36 is actually what? 6 centimeters. But we need the diameter, not the radius. So recall that twice of the radius is a diameter. So we have a radius to be 6, so 2 times 6, that's going to give us 12 centimeters. So the diameter of semicircle C is 12 centimeters, so we put our 12 here. Just as we did for semicircle C, we're going to do the same thing for semicircle B. We have the area of semicircle B to be 25 divided by 8 pi. So let's have it. Area of semicircle B, that is equals to half of pi r squared. So we are giving that to 25 to be 25 over 8 pi is equals to 1 divided by 2 pi r squared. So pi, we cancel pi. So we're going to have 2 can also divide 1, 2 here 1, 2 in 8, 4. So we're going to have 25 divided by 4 is equals to r squared. So find square root of both sides of the equation. So that's going to be square root of 25 divided by 4 is equals to r. So the square root of 25 is 5 and the square root of 4 is 2. So the radius for semicircle B is actually 5 divided by 2 centimeters. But what about the diameter? Diameter is equals to 2r. and we have our radius to be 5 divided by 2. So 2, we cancel 2, then we're going to have 5 centimeters. So therefore, the diameter of semicircle B is 5 centimeters. Using Pythagoras theorem, I'm going to find the length of the red line. Let me label it as small letter A. Okay, so we have A squared is equals to 12 squared plus 5 squared. So this is 144, 12 times 12, 5 times 5 is 25. The addition of these two will give us 169. And to find A, that is going to be the square root of 169. And the square root of 169 is actually 13 centimeters. Alright, so the length of the red line is 13 centimeters. The diameter of semicircle A that we just calculated for now is 13 centimeters. So we can get the radius from the diameter. So radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. So the radius of semicircle A is 13 divided by 2 centimeters. Alright, so let's have the area of the largest semicircle, which is A. So let's have it, that will be half of pi r squared. So we're going to have half, we have our pi. So our radius, the radius is 13 divided by 2. So let's have it 13 divided by 2 squared. Okay, we still have our 1 over 2 pi. So 13 divided by 2 is actually 169 divided by 4. Good. So we have 1 times pi times 169. That will be 169 pi. And 2 times 4 is 8. So the area of semicircle A is 169 divided by 8. Thumbs up if you actually got the answer right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.